YouTube, what's the word, man? What's good with y'all? Man, my bad on my absence, man. I know I was consistent with the videos, but I had some shit going on this week, so I was pretty busy. But that being said, your boy was still active on the charts, though. Don't get shit twisted. I still was on these charts, even though I had an eventful week. Anyway, let's get right to it. If you don't know how I trade the ICT Judas swing strategy. There's 1,000 YouTube videos about it. You can go on my previous videos and get a quick rundown on how I trade. So I'm not going to explain this shit too much. We're going to get right into it and break down these trades. So yes, I do trade London and New York session now. So that's why I'll be going over both. But I will say for this week, it was only 2 tradable days and New York had no setups. It was all London. Anyway, let's get right to it. Cool. So I took this GU trade right here. Mark out the highs of Tokyo session. Mark out the lows. Tokyo session. Bow. Cool. So we got the liquidity sweep pretty quickly into the session on this counter right here. Now, you see these little arrows and whatever? I don't need them, but I actually like them. So for beginners that can't read or can't see on the charts the recent high or recent low, this indicator is badass, man. And it's Fractals by Nephew Sam. It'll literally tell you the recent high, recent low, recent high, recent low. And also, I use it for a little bit more room for my stop loss placement. Instead of putting a stop loss right at the wick, I'll put it at the end of the arrow to give me that room for spread. So really clutch. Again, I can see the highs and lows without it, but it just makes it even easier. So anyways, so we got the sweep right here, and then this candle, this big Maribozu candle, closed above the recent high, which, let's use the arrows. The recent high is right here. So I got in like somewhere right here. It's a fat ass stop loss too. Stop loss below the lows. Target 1-to-1. Boom. Super simple, super easy. 1-to-1. Got the trade. I think I was asleep anyway. Yeah, I placed this trade. I went right back to sleep. Cool. Let's see. That was that. And then New York had no setups until literally the very last 10 minutes, but I didn't trade. And then today, which is Friday, we had a EU setup, which was stupid fast. Again, right here, boom. Tokyo lows and highs. It swept liquidity in 10 minutes. Again, we use these arrows for the fractal highs and fractal lows. Candle broke structure in 15 minutes. I entered, stop loss below the little triangle. Target my 1-to-1. Quick trade. I mean, it was just like what? 5, 10, 15, 20. 25 minutes. Boom, 1-to-1, get out. Now, this, if you guys haven't seen my playbook video, this was a counter trend trade. Again, you know, I will take counter trend trades. How's the counter trend? Well, we have downtrend, right? So if we wanted with the trend trade, we would have wanted price to sweep the highs first and then come down. We got swept the lows and then went up. That's going against the trend. But again, the probability still worked out. And then this strategy is so damn cold. You could have traded twice today. You could have, like right here, right? Swept the lows, went up. Then it swept the highs of Tokyo and went back down. So you could have had 2 wins today, but you know, I always stick to my strategy and I do 1 trade per session. But as you can see, this was with the trend right here this is with the trend right here at the top of all this price action, and it fucking just plummeted. See, and then plummeted some more. It went up and plummeted some more. And then yeah, New York session didn't have anything for us, so yeah. So I only traded twice this week for London. I want to say on Tuesday. See, on Tuesday, if you can look at price action, we were in an uptrend. So this is the A plus setup because we were trading with the trend. So here's Tuesday right here. It kind of pulled back some, but overall we're still in the uptrend from yesterday's price action, right? And then what happened? We swept the lows and just fucking rocketed up. So yeah, I went 2-0 this week. Damn, we could have even got. Hold on a second. Sorry. Damn, again, you probably could have won again. Let's see, price. Close right here. Close right there. Damn. Could have won again. But, hey, my strategy says 1 trade per session. Yeah, that's it. That's all it took. Just 2 quick little trades. And then I don't cap. There's the receipts. Boom. EU and GU trade on the, what's that, 10th and 11th, I think? Or whatever, 11th, 12th, I don't know. Whatever, you see it. Yep, so that's all I got. Again, my bad for not being active on the videos. I will be going forward. And you guys will see this video tomorrow